Namaste, Jai Gurudev. Welcome to yet another video with Shri Shri School of Yoga. I am Pramod. I am a trainer with Shri Shri School of Yoga. If your body is feeling tired, if you're feeling restless in the mind, or tired or bogged down in the mind, then you are watching the right video, I tell you. In the next 10 minutes, we are going to see and experience how we can make our body feel lighter and our mind feel calmer with just simple few yoga practices. Now let's get ready. Bring your mat, stand on your mat or sit on a chair, whatever you feel comfortable. We're going to do some interesting, wonderful yoga stretches that will help you relax, calm and settle down. Okay, so let's get started. If you have a chair, you can sit on a chair, or if you are standing, then you can simply close your eyes. Now take a long deep breath in, and as you breathe in, expand your arms. Breathe in, expand fully. And as you breathe out, give a tight hug to yourself. You have been doing a wonderful work. Just give a nice pat on your back. Breathe in, raise your arms up. Stretch and extend. Open, use your full capacity of your lungs. Exhale, give a nice hug to yourself. Nice pat on your back. We often, forget to give love to ourselves. So this is the moment, with the breath. Breathe in and breathe out. 2 more times. Breathe in and breathe out. 1 last time. Inhale. Now this time when you inhale, hold your breath. Let go. Slowly relax. Now let's start by loosening up our whole body. Usually, you must have noticed that when we work or when we are too tensed, our body also becomes tensed. But when you loosen up your body, the opposite happens. Your body, your mind also starts loosening up, and then you feel lighter, calmer. So let's, start just swaying our body. Just do nothing. There's nothing to do for next 5 minutes, 7 minutes. Let the body relax. Let the mind relax. Just attention on the breathing. The breath is flowing smooth. Now start gently twisting your body left, right. Now see, like a dance, and bring about a smile in your face. Just simple twist left, right, and a smile on your face. That's it. Very nice. And now let's raise our arms up in front. We'll do an interesting and powerful yoga practice. Inhale, hold the breath, make a fist, and then make a full circle holding your breath. And then you release your arms and release the breath. 2 more times we'll do it. Breathe in, hold, one more time. Breathe in, hold, now we'll do it on the opposite side. Breathe in, hold, two more times. Breathe in, hold, one last time. Breathe in, hold, relax. As we work, a lot of stress and tension gets built around our shoulders, back. So this is one beautiful way to release it. Now we'll do a gentle throwing of the arms right side and left side. Breathe in, twist to the right side. And as you breathe out, you make a ha sound and gently turn towards your left. Ha. Simple. Breathe in. Ha. 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 Now from the other side. In. Ha. 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 And relax. Now simple swaying of our right leg front and back. You just sway your right leg front and back. Simple sway. If you find this difficult, you're losing the balance, you can raise the arms in line with the shoulders and then gently swing. This will help you balance. Simple swaying. Keep the knees straight. You will feel some stretch in the hamstring. Very nice. Now change the leg, the other leg, front and back. And relax. Now we'll do some side bends. Feet firmly grounded. Breathe in, raise your left arm up. Breathe out, bend towards the right side. Breathe in, come up. Breathe out, left arm down. Breathe in, right arm up. Breathe out, bend towards your left side. And don't let the hip go in. Keep it pushed forward. You'll feel a deep stretch on the right side of your body. Breathe in, out. In the other arm up, bend. Now we'll hold for some time. Breathe. Keep breathing. Breathe in, come up slowly. Breathe out. Relax. Now the other arm, breathe in, breathe out, and breathe and hold the pose. And slowly come up and relax. Now we'll do another very powerful practice. It's like in olden days, even now, when you go to farms, how people use the axe to chop the wood. So it's called Kashta Takshanasana, chopping the wood. Imagine you have a log of wood in front. You hold the axe with your hand, inhale, exhale, ha, you just go down. Inhale, ha, with the ha sound you go down. Inhale, ha, inhale, ha, inhale, ha. Inhale, ha, in, ha, in, ha. 5 times. In, ha, in, ha. If you can't bend your knees and go down, you can just sit on the chair. If you're sitting on the chair, you can just do ha, ha with your hands. You release the tension with the ha sound. Relax your arms. Those who can, you can do this along with me. Ha. 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 2 more times. Ha. Ha. And relax. Relax. It's a very good cardio also. It's a very good workout for your heart. Now, those who already have a chair and are sitting on the chair, you can continue sitting on the chair. Those who don't have a chair, sit in the chair which is not there. जो कुर्सी है ही नहीं, उस पे बैठ जाइए आराम से. Go down a little more, little more, little more, little more, and sit down. और बैठ जाइए आराम से. And now slowly, let's sit down. आराम से बैठ जाइए. Comfortably and easily. Perfect. Now we'll do one simple practice to lengthen the spine. रीढ़ की हड्डी को ऐसे ऊपर की तरफ खींचेंगे, ऐसा एक छोटा सा अभ्यास करते हैं। ब्रीद इन, रेज योर आर्म्स अप, जॉइन योर पाम्स टुगेदर एंड लेंथन अप द स्पाइन। और रीढ़ की हड्डी को ऊपर खींचिए अच्छे से। कीप ब्रीदिंग, सांस लीजिए, छोड़िए। As you breathe in, tummy expands. As you breathe out, navel goes in. सांस लीजिए, पेट फूलेगी। सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते पेट अंदर। And slowly and gently relax your hands. और धीरे से हाथ को ढीला छोड़ दीजिए। आंखें बंद कर लीजिए। क्लोज योर आइज। लेट्स मेडिटेट फॉर सम टाइम। कुछ देर ध्यान करते हैं, 2 मिनट, 2 से 5 मिनट आंख बंद करके सांस पे ध्यान रखेंगे। For 2 to 5 minutes, we'll just keep a gentle attention on our breath. Take a deep breath in, लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए। एंड ब्रीद आउट और छोड़िए। सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते कंधा, शरीर ढीला। एज यू ब्रीद आउट, लूजन योर शोल्डर्स, लूजन योर बॉडी। वंस अगेन ब्रीद इन, एक और बार सांस लीजिए, रोकिए, होल्ड। एंड लेट गो। सांस छोड़ दीजिए, विश्राम करें, रिलैक्स। अब सांस को अपने आप आने दीजिए, जाने दीजिए। आप विश्राम करिए। लेट द ब्रेथ फ्लो ऑन इट्स ओन, यू रिलैक्स नाउ। शांति शांति शांति। Slowly and gently, with a smile on your face, open your eyes. How was it? Interesting, light, isn't it? If you liked the video, if you enjoyed doing yoga, you can drop heart in the comment section. If you feel like at any point during the course of the day, you can keep coming back to this video and practice this short yet powerful session. For more such content, you can subscribe to Sri Sri School of Yoga channel. Until then, stay healthy, stay happy and spread happiness. Namaste.